Little pork nuggets, baby. Little appetizers. Pass them around at a party. Then we're going to put them on the BPS drum at 275. Let them cook until they're about 150, 160. Then we'll put them in half pan and we'll really make them nice. Hey, Papa here. I'm going to make some pork steak nuggets. They're not burn ends. They're not pork burn ends. They're cooked a lot like them. We come in here. Nice sharp knife. How are we doing here? Are we doing good? I think we are. Get this fat down. These are going to be such fun little nuggets to cook. They're going to be so good. We're going to do these teriyaki too. We're not doing them with barbecue sauce. We just get these squared up. They don't have to be perfect. These are just, like I said, nuggets of goodness. And you can even a little fat on them. Leave a little fat on them because we're going to render them pretty good. Try and get them all the same size if you can. Okay, this should do it, kids. They're going to go on the drum till they're about 150, 160. And then we're going to foil them with some teriyaki sauce, some butter. Let's see how we did here. Might be considered perfect. We're going to use sweet money, which you know the world loves sweet money. So here we go. Be generous. You want to get all of those savory and spicy and sweet notes. So we're going to turn them around. Then we're going to put them on the BPS drum at 275. Let them cook until they're about 150, 160. Then we'll put them in half pan and we'll really make them nice. So let me just finish seasoning these things up and I'll see you by the cooker. Okay, you saw me get the pork nuggets ready with some sweet money, and now we're going to do some pineapple chunks. Now we're going to start just a light coating of sweet money. Just a nice light coating. And what we're going to do, we're not going to put this on for a half hour. So we're going to let the pork cook by itself for a half hour. Then we're going to put this on. These will get mixed with the pork nuggets when we put them in the pan covered with the teriyaki sauce, butter, and it should make just a delicious thing where you have a bite of pineapple, a bite of pork. It should be just fabulous. So we're going to go to the cooker and get this whole scene started. Okay, let's pull them out. I think we're good. We took a pork butt, we made steaks, and then we cubed it. Those things look beautiful. Let's dump them in a half pan. Okay, we're going to dump the pineapple and the pork. So like I said, we took a pork butt. We cut it into steaks. Then I cut it into chunks because I didn't feel like cooking the steaks. So we seasoned it with sweet money, and that's just smoky goodness. Mix them together. Now I'm going to take some butter that I've cut into little pieces, toss it in there. Mix it up good. Because we're going to let these pineapples tenderize the meat while it braises. We use sweet money, but now we're going to use stash. I absolutely love stash. It's used as a finishing rub. It's used as a base rub in competition barbecue. It's just outstanding. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put some of the stash on it. Just a nice little dusting of stash. Nothing crazy. Get the pineapples. Now here comes the great part. I love this teriyaki sauce. Here we go. These only took 40 minutes on the cooker, so that's really awesome. Actually quicker than I thought they're going to be. And I'm back on the BPS drum at 275. Probably another 45 minutes is all, and then we're going to have a really wonderful appetizer. Should be great. Double foil. Nice and tight. Like I said, we'll check in 40 minutes. Should be done. They should be tender. They should be wonderful. And I'm going to enjoy them. And maybe if friends come by, they will too. Okay, let's put this in for probably about another 45 minutes. Probably going to go until it's about 2:04. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Okay. Does anybody think this looks good? Because I sure do. We're going to get some more sauce right after we plate it. Drizzle it on. Oh, I'm happy. Perfect.